How to transfer money from Paysafe to Revolut. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you need to make sure that Paysafe Mastercard is available in your area. If it is available, you can easily transfer your money from your Paysafe to Revolut without a hassle. In order to do so, firstly, launch your Revolut application and log in into your account. Navigate to the option of Add Money, after which you have to choose credit or debit card option to add a card, or if it's already linked, just enter the amount. To add the card, just choose your Paysafecard of the Mastercard, after which you will have to enter the 16-digit number, expiration date and the CVV. Upon adding the details, thoroughly review the detail. If it is correct, now it's time to enter the amount of money that you want to add into your Revolut app. Enter the money, then select on the Add Money option. After which, you will get a successful notification regarding the transfer or addition of the money from your Paysafe to Revolut. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.